Thing's pretty quick, so should be a interesting run with the 4. Okay, the Stickly Mickly. What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Kicks coming at you live from PQ Performance. Just picked up this G80 right now. Figured I need another daily for the daily. God damn, this shit stank. Another busy day over here at the office. Sheesh. That thing dirty, dog, but they're about to give it a wash right now. What we did, new pads. I have the ice sweep ones from Japan. Thick. I should have did new rotors, but I'm being cheap. Whatever, it is what it is. I just wanted to get rid of that brake dust, bro. So the ice sweep ones, apparently like really low dust and no noises. Yeah, Zerskis. Shit looks sick. But yeah, we also did a revision on the tune. We're trying to fix that boost cut and that cutting up that we have on the hit. And what we have, hold on, let me grab it. Drum roll, guys. What could we possibly have here? You could probably tell by the shape of the box. Finally, guys, my steering wheel came in. I want to give a huge shout out to my guy over at Carbonized. Hooked me up on a fully custom wheel, spec'd exactly how I wanted it. This is actually my first glance at it. I have not seen it in person yet. First time opening it. Yeah. Woo! There it is. Sick. You know we had to put the blue stripe, man. We had to do it. We got the BMW stitching on there. Woo! Flat bottom. So this is a 2025 style. If you guys don't know, the 25 styles come with the flat bottom, and they are full Alcantara, basically kind of similar to the CSL. So yeah, thing is sick. Can't wait to put it on. God damn, bro, this trash fucking stinks, dog. I'm out of here. All right, guys, steering wheel is off. Got some modifications going on. Yeah, this shit look cheeks now, I ain't gonna lie. Basura. But ooh, look at that though. Fire. There it is. 2025 style. Custom with the blue stripe. BMW stitching. Now I just need I&D or someone to make these in blue. I know they sell them for the F chassis, but yeah, we need some blue ones. That'd be really sick. Damn. Hey, you know how to do it. No more brake dust, guys, finally. It ain't your car.
Bro, I like everything but the wing.
Little rub-a-dub-dub, never hurt nobody. Ooh, that front end though. This thing's coming out soon. This shit's fast. This is benzo. This is pretty hard. Sheesh, you gotta let them know. My boy said I'm ready for a state ref. You don't even gotta pop the hood. Which is pretty sick though. Different. Get this thing washed up. Yeah, sir. It's pretty clean. The red guts. Finally, we got a wheel in this thing. Once again, huge shout out to the boys. I'll throw their Instagram down here. If you guys need a custom wheel, don't be shy, man. Be fly. You can design it however you want, whatever color stripe, whatever color stitching, however you want. It flows perfectly with the interior. Now we got the Alcantara on the wheel right here. The seats already have it. It's clean, dog.
The following day.
What's happening, guys? Welcome back, coming at you live from the Elote station, of course. Now you already see what my guy doing. My boy pulled out the Of course, we got my guy Jim over here. The R30 Thrizzle with the Tome, dog. Beautiful. Beautiful. This might be his last drive, he said. He thinks he has a solid buyer, so this might be the last time you guys see this. Me and my boy are gonna get a run with his cat. This thing's pretty quick, so should be a interesting run with the 4. Should be good. Yeah, that wide body. This thing don't even fit in my camera. There we go, there we go. Saucy. We're gonna hit Mexico for a bit. See what the M4 and the Hellcat does. Oh man, shout out to the new brake pads. I did like 100 miles and the wheels aren't dusty. Look at that. So much better. Mexico's crowded, guys. Guess everybody's trying to do runs. Let off because there was a cop. Pretty fair matchup. It's like whoever kind of gets the hit. Guys, what's happening? We made it. This was crucial. Almost didn't make it in. Ooh. Man, that boy clean as fuck. Sheesh. Who's man?
You like it?
Nah, that shit trash, bro.
Can you sell me the tees?
Hell nah.
Well, look, monkey seats. Can you sell me those too?
Damn, manual? Sick ass fool.
Damn, dog.
Oh, you need the stars for sure. No sunroof? You need that.
That was like 50 dead.
Oh, I need that right there. That's what I need. Cool little 800,000. Oh shit, is that Jack Harlow? And no angle, he crazy. G80 Nick. Congrats, dog. My boy finally did it. He switched over. Hell yeah. Shit's looking hard. Bro, shout out to the pads. Check this out. There's like barely any brake dust. Ice sweep for the win. Ah, that was a blessing, bro. So many people walking. Damn, he smacked the shit out of him. Hey, smack him again. That R33. He out here. Got my boy Wicked over there with the Bupra. Bro, I literally love the floor, bro. It looks so good. It's just perfect. Hood is on the way soon, guys. It's back ordered, but it's coming. My boy's first digital dash.
Bro, I've never had digital dash. Ambient lighting.
Yeah, that shit slam, bro. Watch out. Damn. You literally just bought it like 20 minutes ago. Oh!
He's like, don't give a fuck.
That's a striker.
Imagine you just pull the whole bumper out right now.
Right?
let you guys enjoy the idle. The crowd.
Much later.
Guys, made it home safely. What a spontaneous day. We'll be back at it again tomorrow morning early. I'm out.